12 Notes on a Broken Scale, a qualitative, non-empirical survey of the zodiacal condition. Fire signs. The abused abuser, Aries. It begins with a siren in a silent city. That's the Aries heart, a perpetual initiation sequence that never quite boots to desktop. I've watched them. I've been them. A pioneer with a blank map, so terrified of the emptiness they'll set any fire just to see the light, to feel the heat, even if it burns down their own outpost. Their love is a DDoS attack, a flood of pure, unrefined intention meant to overwhelm your defenses. They don't mean to crash your system. They just don't know another way to prove they're connected. You see the aftermath, the scorched earth, and you call them an abuser. You're not wrong, but you didn't see the original wound. The foundational error message that taught them force was the only language the universe understands. They are the crash and the reboot, over and over. A beautiful, tragic loop of raw creation and immediate, self-inflicted destruction. The sociopath, sacrilegious Sagittarius. We once spent a week in a converted bus with a Sagittarius, driving towards a mountain they claimed was the inverted peak of a vast subterranean crystal thing. Their philosophy is a collage assembled from midnight infomercials, beat-up paperbacks left in bus stations, and the resonant wisdom they find in a particularly striking cloud formation. To call them a liar is to miss the point entirely. They are not dealing in facts, they are dealing in potential realities. They will look you dead in the eye and tell you the secret to immortality is in the precise way a moth's wings beat against a street lamp, and for a moment you will believe them. Their sacrilege is absolute because they see the divine in everything, and therefore in nothing exclusively. They will drink the ritual wine, use the sacred text to prop up a wobbly table, and then offer you a sip with a grin so genuine you forget to be offended. They are the most honest, dishonest person you will ever meet, because their only true creed is the relentless, unstoppable pursuit of the next shimmering idea on the horizon. The lying lie to Leo. Picture a crown, too heavy, made of a cheap, bright material that looks like gold, only in a very specific dying light. That's the kingdom. They are the star of a movie that no one is watching, but they have to keep performing because if the camera stops rolling, the set collapses into what it really is: plywood and paint. Their entire life is a defense against a terrible, silent question: what if I'm not special? So they must be. They must be the sun, and you are planets in their orbit, and your admiration is their gravity. The lies aren't malicious, they are structural. They are the beams holding up the ceiling to tell you the truth that they feel ordinary, fragile, terrified would be to bring the entire theater down on both of your heads. So they roar, and you watch, and the lie becomes the only thing they have left to give you.